Hi. So basically, I'm going to give the whole server co-owner to my plot and let them build with the $6,009 I have. And we're going to see what they build. So it may not work, but we'll try. Okay, so basically I threw a party, gave everyone co-owner, so now everyone's coming. What? I'm gonna make sure everyone has permission. What is going on here? Okay, there are 3 people on my plot building. Some person is building something. Someone put down one of my things for my inventory. Okay, 4 people. This is gonna be interesting. This is gonna be interesting. What are people doing? What? What is going on? They're using everything from my inventory. People are deleting stuff from each other. Who is doing this? What the? Everyone's trying to add everything back. Ruining my builds. I'm gonna go to work. No, you did not. You did not. Rain is very annoying. How am I gonna talk? I have been quiet for so long so far. Stop deleting other things. I don't think that's gonna do anything, honestly. Okay, what is going on? There's like 4 people on my plot. What is this? What? What? Okay. Let's leave. Okay, I have just left. I'm going to rejoin. You can clearly see that. See what has gone through the server. Okay. Let's see what has gone through this server. Oh, what is this? I can see lots of walls up there. Fencing right here. Why is there a child's bike? And then there's pillars and some fence.